Hello friends, hope you all are doing good. Today we'll see the sample answer for IELTS speaking part 1 topic drinking water. Before that, if you like this video, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe my channel. Let's begin. The first question is drinking water is important? Yes, water consumption is essential for human life. Drinking water helps people to concentrate, stay refreshed and alert. It also helps to prevent and helps to balance blood sugar and helps relieve headache and promote cardiovascular. The next one, do you think we should drink a lot of water? To prevent dehydration and stay healthy and fit, we need to drink adequate amount of water based on our weight and age. One should drink 2 to 4 liters of water. However, drinking excess water can lead to water intoxication known as water poisoning. In more severe cases, water intoxication can also cause loss of consciousness, and if a person does not take treatment, it can be fatal. How often do you drink water? I usually drink 2 to 3 cups of water per hour or more if I am sweating heavily to stay healthy and to keep myself hydrated. Do you often drink bottled water or tap water? Tap water cannot be consumed directly until it is purified as it is harmful to health. So I often drink bottled water as it is safe and purified. Why don't you like drinking tap water? Tap water in India usually comes from rivers and lakes, so it contains many bacteria, industrial pollutants, and heavy minerals leached from soil. Unless the tap water is purified, I don't prefer to drink tap water as it harms health and also it tastes weird. Why do people pay for bottled water while it is fine to drink tap water? One reason that people choose bottled over tap water despite the cost difference may be that it can be more convenient to have a bottle to handle when out. What kind of water do you like to drink? I always preferred to drink purified water since the purification process removes chemicals and impurities from the water. Next one. Do you feel you drink enough water? Of course, I do drink enough water every day. Mild dehydration can make me feel tired, give a headache, and also affect my mood and focus on work. Do you drink bottled water or water from machine? Since the water is not potable at my place where do I stay, I usually opt for bottled water, meaning for potable, safe to drink or drinkable. Thanks for watching.